Good morning, everyone, and welcome to episode 91 of Words of Wisdom. I'm Marlena Moore, personal fulfillment coach and founder of the Time Finder Secrets course, and I'm on a mission to help people pleasers rediscover their self-worth so that they can start putting themselves first and live happy, fulfilling lives. For videos every week that motivate and inspire you to live life to the fullest, hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you never miss an upload. Today's episode piggybacks off of Wednesday's episode, and it really focuses around building yourself up. And I find this really important because a lot of times you're going to run across people who are going to criticize what you do, who are going to question what you do, or who are going to make you feel bad for what it is that you're doing. And it's really important for you to have the skills to be able to celebrate yourself, to build yourself up, and to create a foundation of just gratitude and celebration and joy and happiness that doesn't come from other people. And as a people pleaser, it's really easy to just find that being validated by others is enough to kind of, I guess, more or less, I want to use the right word here, but I guess validate your existence, validate your choices. And you shouldn't be looking to others to validate who you are as an individual and what you decide to do. You shouldn't be looking for outside approval in order to make yourself feel good about yourself as an individual. That's not what we need to be doing as people pleasers, or anyone should be doing. You really should be focused on building yourself up. And it really starts with what you say about yourself. So if you say negative things about yourself, like, oh, I hate my hair, oh, I'm so fat, oh, I'm so ugly, oh, I hate my eyebrows, like, oh, I wish that, I looked a certain way, oh, I wish I had that life, oh, my job sucks, I'm shy, I'm introverted, I'm this, I'm that. When you just add on all of those negative things, it's very hard for you to feel good about yourself and just kind of feel proud of who you are and feel confident in your life, in your body, in your career, and just about anything. But when you start to say more positive things about yourself, like you're great, you're so smart, you're a great problem solver, you have such a wonderfully creative mind, you have such a kind heart, kind and gentle heart, you love to help people, or like just a whole bunch of things that you could say that are good about yourself. It really changes your perspective, and it makes it easier for you to go through life just knowing that you have the power to change it. You have the power to become an even better person. But it all starts with building yourself up. Now, there are going to be some things that you do need to change. Like for me personally, I know that I have to work on my own health journey, and I have to work on being fit and actually exercising and eating better foods and things like that. But that doesn't mean I should every day look at myself in the mirror and say, oh my God, you're so fat. Like, I don't want to say that to myself. Like, how does that build me up? How does that make me feel better? It's like, it's negative reinforcement. And it's like, yeah, I guess, yeah, I'm fat. But does it really encourage me or inspire me to want to do something different? Not really. It's like, yeah, okay, every once in a while I feel bad enough to like maybe go to the gym or take a walk or, eat a salad instead of a cheeseburger. But it doesn't create long-term habits, and it certainly doesn't make me feel good enough about myself to say, yeah, I'm doing this for an important reason. I'm just doing it because I feel like I'm fat and I feel like other people think I'm fat. So it's like, what's the point? But if I'm doing it because I love my body and I want to be healthy for, my future kids, so I want to be around for a long time, I want to continue to create these videos and build out my business and see where life takes me and spend time with my loving partner, like, those are reasons, and those are the things that are going to build me up. It's like, yeah, it's like I'm working on my health journey. I took a walk today. I'm really proud of myself. And like, when I start to build myself up in that way, it makes it a lot easier for me to continue to take those actions instead of beating up on myself, instead of limiting myself and saying, oh, I'll never be able to do push-ups or this or that. Like, if I start to focus on really creating like a solid foundation for myself so that I can be a better individual, a better human being, then it makes it easier for me to make the changes that are necessary to create a better life for myself. So I hope this has been helpful for you guys. And I want to know, and I'm going to look at the card right now because I always forget the questions and I don't want to say the wrong thing. But what's one thing you can say right now to build yourself up? What's one thing you could say to build yourself up? Hey, for me, I could say that, hey, Marlena, you are so creative and you're able to go on these videos, and while it may not be perfect, and while you may be self-conscious about just about everything, including the wonderful acne brewing on your face, you are still showing up and you are still sharing your message because it's important, and you're showing up as a human being, someone who has a life, who goes through struggles and is not perfect. And that's amazing. That's fantastic. That's what I would say to myself. You know, you're here at almost 2 o'clock in the morning recording these videos, and that's crazy. But you know what? I'm so proud of you for actually showing up, for actually making this a priority, because this can really help a lot of people. So keep it up. You're amazing. And that's something I would say to myself. But I want to know from you guys, what would you say to yourself to build yourself up right now? What's a good thing that you could say to yourself? Something to inspire you, something to get you excited, something to just remind you that you really are truly amazing. And people may not say it to you, and you may not always think it in the worst of times, but you are amazing. You are awesome. Whatever it is that you are doing, whoever it is that you're helping, whatever job you're working at, you are amazing. And I want you guys to remember that. So I hope you guys are having a wonderful Friday. Thank you so much, as always, for joining me. Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 7 a.m. Words of Wisdom will be here for you to inspire you, to motivate you, and to get you guys working on changing your lives. So I hope everyone's having a wonderful Friday once again, and I will see you guys on Monday. Bye, everyone.